Andy, are you seeing this? Not one, but 4 of the Ninebot Gokart PRO. These things will do 37 kilometers an hour. They will go 25 clicks on a charge. They actually disassemble into a Ninebot S Max, like mobility scooter majig thing. Get out of my way, I'm trying to open it. Ow, that really hurt. Ninebot sent us 4 of these for a channel super fun. But rather than wait for the channel super fun, I figured I just can't wait. So we better do a short circuit opening one of these puppies up. I am so stoked right now. This is basically exactly what I have wanted to like tool around with my kids. I even went as far as modifying like an old Power Wheels thing with better motor, better battery, all that kind of stuff. But I mean, realistically, these are track freaking ready. And you could, wow, this is really heavy. There is nothing that would prevent you from just like ripping around the neighborhood. I mean, other than laws, I guess. Jono, could I get a hand? Gross weight, about 150 pounds. And it can carry a rider up to 220 pounds. You good? Oh my God. Whew. I've actually looked into purchasing go-karts before, but it's a little challenging because a lot of places will only sell to like go-kart facilities and stuff like that. I have no idea what Ninebot's policy is, but anyway, we managed to get our hands on some. Whoa. Get out of my way! If you were wondering whether this thing is serious business, okay? Age 14 plus for the go-kart, and the S Max, that's interesting, 16 to 60. They don't want senior citizens on that thing. And they're like, yeah, okay? Correct dress code, ladies and gentlemen. Flat shoes. I noticed though, they didn't say anything about socks and sandals. So it seems like I'm all right. $2,000 on sale for $1,600, okay. Oh my God, it has one of those cute little flags. I need it. Oh wow, there's some accessories. Okay, this is hilarious. Okay, they come with a Bluetooth speaker that can either be used to listen to music while you're ripping around, or can be used to simulate different types of engine noises. Wow, the charger is actually a little less intense than I expected. Okay, cool. Okay, this is part of the assembly into the scooter thing, self-balancing thing. It comes way more assembled than I could have possibly hoped. This thing is gonna be ready to rip in like basically frickin' no time. Oh, this is not gonna be as quick as I might have hoped. Le Gokart PRO monté, aileron arrière, compartiment des piles AA. Okay, get over here, Andy, come on. You gotta be as excited about these as I am, if not more so. Okay, we just gotta get that thing out. Woo. Now these things don't have any kind of suspension to speak of, but what they do have is what looks like a fairly, if nothing else, modifiable wheel housing here that perhaps could be used to put like kind of, you know, fatter, juicier tires on. Actually, that's not bad. Oh my God, what just happened? Did I break it? Oh, okay, this is for adjustment. You can adjust the length of it depending on the length of your riders. So you can do everything from 4.5 feet, I think it is, up to like 6 foot something. These things are apparently drift monsters. So it should be, yeah, they're extremely slick. So these should be a ton of fun. Oi, hi, how you doing? Oh, wow, that really, whew, that hugs the hips, boys. Ugh. Hopefully this like locks in place. Okay, let's look at the documentation. Step 1, find the Allen key. We're gonna be riding with adults. So I get the feeling that we're just gonna go straight to the max. You know what I mean? Like, to the max! Like, but just, you know, to the maximum. Well, look, it's hard. I don't get it. 6 AA frickin' batteries in it? What the heck is that for? I don't know about 1,000 horsepower, but apparently it has 90 Newton meters of torque, and that's about 76 freedom pounds. Is that right? 70 freedom pounds, sorry. Oh, 1 G of acceleration.
Wow. That's really good.
That's pretty crazy. And they claim it offers performance that is on par with 150cc go-karts. Activate, install the app. I just want a go-kart. Oh, pull the handbrake. Oh, it has a handbrake. Cool. It's walking me through the guide and everything. It's got some, you know, real important tips in here. Now it says step on the pedal to go forward. It's apparently on. When the go-kart is stopped, double press the brake to switch to reverse mode. Okay, and here it is. We've got 17 kilometers of range. That's 57% battery. So I'm in safe mode. Oh my God, it has a headlight. Is it on? Oh no! I didn't put on my flag. Oh no, sorry. The test drive cannot proceed. Here we go. So I gotta secure all my loose objects like this LTT store lanyard here. Gotta put that away. That was in the guide. All right. Got my seatbelt on, okay? And then you can see it doesn't let me go because it's in lock mode right now. Okay, so I'm gonna unlock it. So this is safe mode, all right? We're gonna start with safe mode. Safety first. Okay, that's pretty safe. This is 10 out of 10, definitely safe, but not really a lot of fun. So, okay, we're gonna try new rider mode. This has a maximum of 18 kilometers an hour. This should have a little bit more snap. Oh, hi! Woo! Okay, all right. It goes, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, got a little bit too much grip here to really like drift anything though. I got it floored right now. Like this is it. This is 18 kilometers an hour. Brakes are not bad. The steering's a little. There's some give in it, you know. Yeah, it's a little plasticky. The steering wheel feels all right though. Okay, we're going to sports mode. 28 kilometers an hour. I might actually want to put my phone in my pocket this time. Okay, now we're going. Whoa! That's pretty fun. I desire more. Now we got track mode. Now we go in 37 kilometers an hour max. That was not max. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh! Ho, ho! How y'all doing? Woo! Oh my God, this is sick. Okay, I gotta control that. Ah! I'm gonna need 2 hands on the wheel for this mode, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man. I think the e-brake is intended to be an emergency brake. No, it's pretty rubberized. I have never drifted with an e-brake. I mean, Jake, do you want to do the honors? Yeah, do we have any other helmets? Okay, just explain to me in as little time as possible how you do it. What's that? That's it? All right. Just a little? Okay. Oh no, I spun out! I gotta practice! Okay. Oh, hi. Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. Oh my God, these are way too much fun. All right, enjoy short circuit. Sorry, I'm done filming. Oh, we haven't even tried the Bluetooth thing. You know what, whatever. We're gonna do a channel super fun with these things in all likelihood, or maybe an LTT review. I don't know what we're doing with them yet, but that's it. That's a short circuit. It's an absolute freaking blast. Subscribe. Oh. Woo!